Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new CPA marketing tutorial. Do you want to get paid to promote CPA offers? If yes, then complete this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you two different traffic sources that will help you to generate unlimited traffic and you can promote easily your CPA offers. And it's 100% beginner friendly. So guys, if you're really interested to make money with CPA marketing, then complete this tutorial and follow all the steps and make CPA profits. It's one of the best way to get paid promoting CPA offers. Okay guys, let's see, does this tutorial worth to us or not? Okay, you can make CPA profits without any hard work and you can make 50 per day over and over again. I will show you how you can do it. Then it's 100% beginner friendly and you don't need to create any type of content. It may be video content, it may be website content. You don't need to create any content and no marketing or working skills are needed to apply this method. Okay guys, so if you really interested to promote CPA offers and if you want to get paid CPA profits, then complete this tutorial. I will show you step by step everything. Now let me introduce myself first. I am Rajubhadra. I am an affiliate marketer over 9 years. I am working here, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Rajubhadra. A lot of money making opportunities here. If you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, then check my YouTube channel and a lot of money making opportunities here. And if you are, especially if you are interested with affiliate marketing and want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my video description and check my number on money making opportunities. So guys, let's start this tutorial and follow all the steps that I will show you in this tutorial. And if you're really interested to make CPA profits, I hope it's really helpful. Okay guys, let's see. Your first step, you have to create account on CPA leads. Okay, it's so easy and simple. You can create your CPA lead account using your Facebook. Even you can create your CPA lead account using your Gmail account. Okay, even you can create your CPA lead account using your email address, and you have to confirm your email address to get full access. Okay, so it's easy and simple. After that, you will get this dashboard and visit this offer section, and you will get all the offers here, all the featured offers here. If you want to promote any featured offer of CPA leads, then you can check all the featured offers here. Okay, and if you want to promote any specific country offers, then you can select any of the country. It's open for all over the world. Then it's any type, which type of offer is you want to promote, email or email submits or service, then pin submits mobile, you see here, then all device here, and any specific advisors. Okay, but for this method I choose United States, and it's any type of content, any type of device. Okay, fine. Then you see here all the United States offers here, and you see all the payouts here. For this method, if I prefer to choose this type of offers, fast pay. You see here, fast pay, yes, fast pay, yes. I suggest you to choose this type of offers here, and if you choose, this is a TikTok video related CPA offers, and it's yes, and the payout 8.87 cent. Okay, top short video apps. Okay, yes, 1.16. Okay, then you see here Amazon gift card 0.70 cent here. Then Splash VPN 06. No, it's not perfect. Then get 500 on Cash App. Okay, so you can choose any of the offers from here. Okay, I recommend you to choose this fast pay related offers here, but you can choose any of the offers, it doesn't matter. But I always prefer gift card related CP offers iPhone or phone related CP offers, then cash app related CP offers. I always prefer this type of CP offers because it's super converting. Okay, now if you want to promote these offers, then click here. Sorry. Now you see here it's all the details of this offer, and you can easily get your affiliate link. Okay, just click here and copy this link and get your affiliate link from here, and now you have to promote this link. Now the main part, I will show you the traffic portion. Okay, I will show you two traffic here, and if you can follow these two traffic sources, I hope you must get result. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Rajbhadro. A lot of money making opportunities here. You see here a lot of money making opportunities, and I hope you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. Now I will show you these two traffic sources. Number one, this push ground. Okay, it's a paid ad traffic. Okay, you see here you have to create your campaigns here, and it's so cheap. Don't worry about high budget. Okay, it's so cheap. At the first you have to create your content here with a very cheap price. Then if you get results, after that you can add more and more campaigns here. Okay, and you see here your ads look like this, and traffic that drives results. Okay, boost your marketing performance with push grounds leading ad network offering high quality ad traffic across three proven ad format. Okay, and you see here daily 1 billion impression here, and it's so cheap, 0.001 cent, and 200 plus countries people are available here to click your ads. Okay, and here's all the simple steps here. At the first you have to create your campaign. Then if you want to see the CPC rates, then click here and you see this United States 20 cent, Thailand 0.1 cent, India 0.1 cent, Denmark 0.1 cent. You see all the list here, and it's so much cheap. Okay, then you see here launch campaign instantly. It's so easy to launch campaign here. Okay, then auto optimization at your fingertips. You can edit, you can customize your ads anytime as you wish. It's all depend on you. Okay, and you see here four type of ads you can run here. The first, the push up ads, you see it looks like this. Then in page push ads. Okay, the bottom of the side you see here this type of ads in various sites, and you see this type of ads here. And the calendar ads, you see these calendar ads and pop ads. Okay, so guys, you can publish these four type of ads inside this push ground to generate high quality traffic for your CPA offers. Okay, so it's time to sign up here and start your ad campaign for getting super targeted traffic for promoting your CPA offers. Now the second traffic sources is rich ads. Okay, it's another ad site, and you can run ads with very cheap price. Okay, you see here you can run four types of ads here, and daily impression 4 billion people. I will show you how you can sign up here and how you can create your first campaign. I will show you step by step everything. You will get 4 billion impression. You see here 220 countries people here, and 4 ad formats: push up ads, native ads, pop unders, and display ads. Okay, you see here all the audience, and it's the CPC 0.03. It's so cheap. Okay, it's the 5 steps to profit. Create your free profile fast. At the first you have to sign up here, then meet up, push up our expert and game plan. Okay, you have to set up your ads, then launch your campaign, analysis everything, and scale up. Okay, it's the steps. Now let's see how you complete all the steps and run ads here. Click here the sign up button, then easily sign up here using your Google account. It's fine. Now you have to start your app campaigns here. If you have any campaign, then you can import your campaign. Otherwise you can start here, click the start button, and you can simply start your ad campaigns here. Okay, destination URL here is, you have to put your affiliate URL. Copy this URL and put here. It's your destination URL. Then you can add your campaign names here, then the targeting people. This offer is for United States, so you have to put the country United States. Okay, all the United States, all regions, all cities. Okay, and it's perfect for mobile, tablet, tabs, and desktop. Every thing is, and visits per user on. You can edit it anytime, on or 2 or 3, but I prefer on. Okay, period on day, then the budget. Okay, per day budget, CPC goal 50. Okay, by this way you can customize your campaign, and if you face any problem, then you can contact with the support team, and you can add funds here. Click the add funds, and you can add your funds here using Visa card, using web money, using wire transfer. Okay, by this way you can add your funds here, and you can get all the campaigns here. You can get all the analysis your campaigns here. You can get all the insights of your campaigns, how much clicks, from where country, everything, then tracking, then reporting. Okay, then the reporting, everything you will get inside here. Okay, all the reports, your running ad reports here, you will get everything here. So guys, it's the another traffic sources to promote your CP offers. If you can follow this push ground or these series ads, then you can promote your CP offers very easily. You don't need any marketing skill, working skill to run ads here. Just simply invest a little amount and get results. You don't need to invest $1,000 here at the first. Just run your ad campaigns here, and if you get results, then you can scale up here day by day. So guys, that's it. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel also. There are a lot of money making opportunities here, and if you want to make money with affiliate marketing and over 10,000 per month, then check my video description and check my number on money making opportunities. So guys, that's it. If you really like this video, then like it, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Take care.